Hey everybody, Jamie at shopmask.com. Welcome to another Mask Minute. So today I'm going to demo a product from Imperial Barber Products. It's their matte pomade paste. This is the travel size, but we have it in the big tub as well. So this is classified as a light and medium hold finish. They give it a 2 out of 4 rating on the hold scale that they use. It's no shine, so it's more like a matte finish, but not super dry looking. It's just no shine, so it gives it a very natural look. Other key feature of this product is that it's water-based, so it rinses out really easily from the hair. And it's quite versatile too in terms of what you can do with it. So you could create like a messy bedhead look, a loosely slicked back look, or you could even do like a side part look. So it's pretty versatile in terms of what it can do. It's packed with good ingredients that are actually going to help to improve the health of your hair, which is nice too. So you actually feel when you rinse it out, your hair just feels a bit more conditioned, softer, healthier. So it's got a light scent to it. It's not particularly strong, so you don't smell it, you know, once you put it in your hair, but it does have a little bit of a scent to it. So that's what it looks like there. It's kind of like a white paste. Anyway, that's kind of working. Yeah, so it's a white paste. I'm going to work a little bit through my hair. Rub it in the palms of my hands first, like that. Make sure it's even, and then just kind of work my hair. So I just blow dried my hair, put a little bit of the Jack Black Epic Moisture in it before, just to soften it up a little bit. And it's nice and lightweight. It dries nice and light, so it doesn't weigh the hair down. So it's good for a finer hair type as well. And that's pretty much it. So it's just like a more like casual kind of product, not like a hard, slick look. And that's it. The Imperial Matte Pomade Paste from the Imperial Matte Pomade Paste. Check it out, shopmask.com. And of course, if you're in Vancouver, you can see it in the store too. Thanks for listening.